Hi, welcome back to my channel. Just stick around as we dive into another culinary explosion. So here I have some finest shikata mushrooms, and it's a mixed variety of mushrooms. It have the oyster mushroom, shikata mushroom, all different type of mushrooms, and they have lovely colors as well. They have pink, yellow, and brown inside of this package. And we also have some button portobello mushroom. That's the baby button portobello mushroom. And we're going to be creating a delicious recipe from all this lovely finest mushroom. So let's dive into today's recipe. First, we're going to be slicing one onion. Then we have 6 cloves of garlic, which we're going to be slicing finely as well. And while I'm doing this chopping and dicing, can you just tell us where you're watching our videos from and how did you come across our videos? And if there's any suggestions for any recipe you'd like to see me make, just drop a comment in the comment section below. And also we're going to be adding 3 finest tomatoes. So after cutting all our ingredients, we're just going to go straight into the cooking. So in a pan, we're going to be adding 4 cubes of unsalted butter. We're going to make sure that the butter is fully melted. After melting the butter, we're going to go straight ahead and add our garlic. And we're going to let the garlic fry until it's brown. And then we add our onions and saute both of them together. After we saute the onion and the garlic, we're going to be adding our tomatoes. And we're going to let that simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. So we want all the flavor from the tomatoes to combine with the onions and garlic. Then we're going to be adding the baby portobello mushrooms. And we're going to saute all of that together as well. There's a lot of saute going on into today's cooking because we want to get all the flavor out of these ingredients. Then we're going to be adding our other mushrooms, which was the finest variety of mushrooms. And we're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes. After cooking for 5 minutes, you can see that it is cooked and we're going to remove from the heat, and in a safe blender, we're going to add the ingredients to the blender, and we're going to be using our buttercream to blend the mushrooms. After blending, we add it back to the same pot on the hob, and look how thick and creamy this is looking. But not to worry, you don't have to make yours thick, and I will be adding all my spices at this moment, which I'm using garlic powder, chili flakes, black pepper, and some seasoning salt. And we combine it very well. This recipe is so quick and easy. It literally takes me about 30 minutes from start to finish. Now I'm adding some coconut cream, which will make it extra creamier and delicious. After adding the coconut milk, I'll be adding some dry parsley. It is totally optional, but it's just my preference. And we combine and let's cook for about another 5 minutes. After for another 5 minutes, our creamy mushroom soup is ready to enjoy. Look how creamy and delicious this is looking. Now we're just gonna plate up and enjoy this plate of goodness. And as I always said, give it a try and let me know how yours turn out.